What's going on, guys?
Hello, guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Keith. This is my little bro. Today we are going to unbox Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil. Let's unbox. We push it down. Here it is. Oh God. So this is the Apple Pencil. Yes. Today we are going to try out the Apple Pencil on our iPads. So oh yes, Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil is connected, yes. So now we shall click. Click continue section. Oh good. Try scribble, yes. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool. Yep. Okay, so the Apple Pencil is now connected. We shall try it out on. Alright, so the Apple Pen is now out, so we shall try it out on the notes here. Apple Pencil is so let's yes, it works well, as you can see. So, would you like to try it out? Okay, I guess this is it from us. I know it's a very awkward video. I guess this is our last goodbye. Apple Pencil. See you.